Hi friends, it's Mrs. S from the Teddy class. Hope you're all doing well. I thought we would do a fun activity today making flowers out of tissue paper. I made a few this morning that I wanted to show you, and I'm going to show you how to make these all by yourself with a little bit of mommy's and daddy's help. And I brought some vases to put them in that you can also do at home, or you can put them into a glass or into a cup or decorate your room. You can do anything you'd like with them. And there's a very special day coming up next weekend. I'll tell you a little secret. It's Mother's Day. So maybe you want to make a few of these for that very special mommy in your house. So let's go. You need some tissue paper. You could use any color. You could use all of one color, different colors. So I picked my three favorite colors, and that is pink, blue, and yellow. And what's nice to do is you can first make a pattern, and you can cut these any size or shape that you want with your handy dandy scissors. And you know, we've been spending a lot of time in the Teddy class talking about how important our fingers are. We use them for writing and drawing and gluing and cutting and eating and brushing our teeth and brushing our hair. So it's so important to keep our fingers strong and to keep them moving. So I cut out my tissue paper, and now I'm going to first make a pattern. I think I'm gonna do pink, yellow, and blue. And then I'm going to do another pink, yellow, and blue. I'm gonna put these right over here for a few minutes. So then we get them all together in a stack like this, and you make a little fan. So you fold one this way, and then you turn it over and you fold again the other way. This part's a little bit tricky. You might have to ask mommy or daddy for help, but I bet if you try really hard, you'll be able to do it all by yourself. So you just keep on folding. You'll see why it's called making a fan. You keep on folding, and then you fold all the way until the very end. And it's called a fan because if you held it up, it sort of looks like a fan, right? Then what you do is you can use pipe cleaners. I didn't have pipe cleaners, so I had these little twisty ties that you might have in your kitchen somewhere, and you tie it right around the middle, just like that. These work just as good as pipe cleaners, but if you have pretty pipe cleaners at home, you can pick some nice colors. So this is what it looks like so far. Then you can leave the edges any which way you want, or I like to cut them. See, with this one, I cut them a little bit pointy, like a triangle. And this one, I made it rounded, so I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna cut this one like a triangle. One snip on this side, and one snip on this side, using my fingers for cutting. And then we're gonna cut this side, and we're going to cut this side. There we go. Now we are ready. Now here's the fun part. You have to be very careful using these fingers now. You're going to one by one pull each piece of tissue paper forward. So I first brought forward the pink, and I'm using my handy dandy fingers, and I'm bringing forward the yellow. Remember that pattern we made in the beginning? Then I'm bringing the blue, back to the pink. Now we're going to bring the pink forward, and then the yellow, and last but not least, the blue. See, one side of our flower is ready. Now we're gonna do the other side, just like we did the first side. Bring forward the pink. Be very careful because tissue paper could be a little bit delicate. It rips easily, but even if it rips, it's okay. Because in the end, these flowers end up looking so beautiful that you won't see a tiny rip. When I was first learning how to make these, sometimes it would rip for me, so just don't worry. Look how beautiful this is coming along. You can make these and put them all around your house with all different colors. And now we're on the yellow. And last, the blue. Look at this beautiful flower you guys helped me make. Okay, and I'm gonna put this one in this vase all together. You can put them in any cup, glass, vase, anywhere you want, okay? Have lots of fun doing this, and I can't wait to see pictures. Bye, friends.